Dear learners and viewers, welcome to my class. I am Parvez Kumar Shom, an English teacher of Shafia Girls High School, Belloor, Tanga. Dear learners, I am going to take a class of class 9 and lesson is taken from English first paper, your EFT, English for today. Good afternoon. Learners, take out your books. I know you everybody is in your home and is getting well your days. Now you are sitting with your books, khatas and pens. Dear students, please take out your EFT. Take out your EFT and open at page 30-31. Open at page 31. Dear learners, what can you see in the picture given here? Look at carefully. What can you see in the picture? I hope you all can gaze or understand that in the picture there is a hand holding a hammer. There is a hand holding a hammer. Now you can easily answer the questions given in section 2. Dear students, first look at the picture and talk about it or write the answer about it. What questions are there? First one is, what do you see in the picture? And second one is, can you relate any historical event to this? We can see in the picture a hand holding a hammer, and at the below of the picture is written here May Day. So you can easily answer the questions and try to relate any historical event to this. Your allocated time is 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you should write the answer of these two questions. Dear students, I hope you can easily relate the events to this picture. we can easily relate the event of May Day to this. So, our today's topic is May Day. May Day. Or the title of the lesson is May Day. This lesson is in Unit 3 and Lesson 2. So, the learners, today we are going to learn of May Day. It is in Lesson 2 of Unit 3. Dear students, then you should give your concentration in section B. In section B, there is a text for you. First, you should read the text and then answer the questions that follows. প্রথমে তোমাকে এই টেক্সটটা ভালো করে পড়তে হবে এবং তারপর এর নিচে অপর পৃষ্ঠায় যে প্রশ্নগুলো দেওয়া আছে সেগুলোর উত্তর তোমাদের দিতে হবে। So, dear learners, start reading out. Start read the text first, and you should give 10 minutes for it. You should give 10 minutes for it. With you, I am also reading the text loud for your message to you. I am going to read out. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the USA, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike, demanding an 8-hour workday. Today's data, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvest Machine Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street and bring them back. One suddenly about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many others were injured. The events of May 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Dear learners, I hope you have completed your reading. Now you can see there is a table and inside the table two notes here. First one is Industrial Revolution. What is Industrial Revolution? It is the period, especially in the 18th and 19th centuries Europe, when machines were invented and first factories were established. Students, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন বা শিল্প বিপ্লব হচ্ছে যখন ইউরোপে বিশেষ করে অষ্টাদশ এবং ঊনবিংশ শতাব্দীতে যখন মেশিন আবিষ্কৃত হয় এবং প্রথম ফ্যাক্টরিগুলো স্থাপন করা হয়, সেই সময়টাকে বলা হয় ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন ও শিল্প বিপ্লব। Second one is trade union. What is trade union? It is an organization that presents workers of mills and factories. An organization that presents workers of mills and factories. My dear learners, ট্রেড ইউনিয়ন হচ্ছে এমন একটা সংঘ বা সংস্থা যা কলকারখানার শ্রমিকদের প্রতিনিধিত্ব করে। Now dear learners, what's the questions given here? There are 4 questions here. You should answer of these questions. Please write down the answers in your exercise books or khatas. And for this, you should be given 10 minutes. You are given 10 minutes for this. The questions are: what does May Day refer to? How long? Number 2, how long did the workers have to work in a day before the May 1st strike? 3, why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? And number 4, what do we learn from the events of May 1st, 1886? Yes, students, you are given 15 minutes for it. Students, come on in section C. In this section, we can see a table. We can see a box first, and inside the box there are some verbs. There, act, arrive, begin, do, hear, live, send, support, treat, work. Dear students, you should read the given passage. There is some gaps in the passage. You should fill in the gaps with the verbs given in the box. And to fill up the blanks, you have to need, or you may need to change some of the verbs forms. My dear students, you are given 10 minutes for this. We have reached at the bottom of the lesson in section D. In section D, here the instructions are given. It is read the completed passage. Which passage you completed? Read it again carefully in silence and answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Here there are 3 questions. First one is do you think Tania's monthly salary is enough for the work? 2. Is the factory safe enough for workers? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? Is the factory safe enough for workers? কারখানাটি কি শ্রমিকদের জন্য যথেষ্ট নিরাপদ? Why do you think so? তুমি কেন এটা মনে করো? You should give reasons for the supporting of your answer. And 3. Do you have any suggestions for safety of factory workers? Do you have any suggestions? তোমার কি কোনো সাজেশন আছে for safety of factory workers? এই কারখানা শ্রমিকদের নিরাপত্তার জন্য if so what? যদি থাকে what? সেটা কি? You should write it. And the first one is, I am telling you again, do you think Tania's monthly salary is enough for her work? তুমি কি মনে করো তানিয়ার মাসিক বেতন তার কাজের জন্য যথেষ্ট? Second one is, is the factory safe enough for workers? Why do you think so? 3. Do you have any suggestions for safety of factory workers? If so, what? Please write down the answers, and it's for your homework. Now, my dear students and viewers, learners, thank you all for your supporting me to take the class successfully. I hope you can learn a minimum knowledge about the lesson. Thank you. Thank you.